Then any questions?
I go first.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. Great. Some frightening pictures there. Just as I was trying to eat my sandwich at the start, a lot of build up there, wasn't there? Cheers. Yeah. What jumped out at me was the frequency of water sampling.
Yeah.
So the BG50. So as consultants, we've got a self-generated MBS spec,
Okay.
which will mention BG50.
Yeah.
But I've personally never been involved with looking at sample results once a week for the first month, and then up to 6 months thereafter. We obviously have contractors that look after the building during the defects for that, for that 1 year.
Yeah.
But I feel our specs need to be tightened up a lot, because I don't see any of this information coming back to us.
Yeah, I think one of the critical things is based on the project length. So you're installing different areas of they've got basically a base build. Then if you're doing your fit out of various plant rooms. If you're then introducing, say you put one plant room in, then that equipment's in, then you're going to put additional plant room 3 months down the line. If you're not treating that at the same time, you're then opening up potential for bacteria to get in from there. If that makes sense. So the frequency of the water sampling is just basically. So you've got a timeline of, we've basically finished that plant room. The water sample was all right. You're installing your new equipment. Chillers are going on the roof or whatever.
Yeah.
You then come to test your water again, and you've got a problem. You can then work out where that problem's come from. So you've got like a timeline of, water's all right, but then between the last sample and this sample, you've got build up bacteria. Then you can start to look at like the source of it. So it's basically just protecting.
Okay. And when the water samples come back to us, then I didn't take chemistry, but I use it a lot in my job. So making sense of these results that come back. I take it you're around in that first year to basically say you've got a low pH, you've got a high concentration of bacteria, you've got this, you've got that, and it points towards X, Y,
exactly that. So we've just fitted a place called Broom Hall in Wales. Supplied some exports there. Got installed in December, and the guy I'm dealing with rang yesterday and said, my water's still yellow. What can we do? I said, we'll take a water sample. Because he basically follows the approach down to a T. Start off with a 20 micron, down to a 5, now it's down to a 0.5. But 0.5 microns not really necessarily because we recommend 5 micron. So I've just took a water sample, going to test it for what's in there. I've already done a quick job. Arrived at head office this morning, so got them to put magnet on the bottle, see if there's any magnetite within there. There's no magnetite, so corrosion's our issue. And then we start to eliminate what can it be. My initial thought would be overdosing. If you put too much chemical within there, you basically it inhibits all the pipe work, but then your water then collects that inhibitor and it's pushing it around the system. It's basically like yellowy. But, that would be my initial thought. And the only way to get rid of that, you need to start diluting that or basically flush your system out.
We get called into jobs at all different stages. It could be a new build. I'm involved in a hospital project at the moment where they've had years of corrosion with thin wall mild steel. So they've almost said that's sacrificial. But they've put in new boiler plants, and now we're protecting the boiler plant with a plate. So we're looking after that side of them. But then the rest of the system, you just hear so much about. When it was first commissioned, it was left stagnant for 6 months before we got the contract. And then it bursts, and it's constantly getting topped up with fresh water. And we put so much dose in it and then they're overdosing.
Yeah.
So yeah, these chemical reports hit me, and they don't particularly mean that much to me.
Yeah.
But I thought I can see that well, I can't see they're in red because I'm colourblind.
Yeah.
But various figures are highlighted where it's outside the range.
Yeah.
But it'd be good to bounce off someone like yourself to just say, well, what does this actually mean?
Yeah, and send it across. They normally, you get a clear idea if there's a lot of magmatite in the system, corrosion generally. So what's your treatment plan? And they're like, not got any.
Not got one.
It's generally so a lot of our projects are retrofit.
Yeah.
We get specified on new projects, but a lot of the projects when they've got existing problems.
Yeah.
And the problem is that a lot of the companies have FMs, and we'll go in and we'll say, right, we'll have a look, and they're always the competitors, aren't they? All the FMs are competitors, and they'll be there and they'll say, oh, yeah, they have blah blah here, and they never cleaned the system out, and generally it's true. They've not left any of the treatment logs or anything like that. But yeah, we can.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Partner's not too happy. Then it's awful.
Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you.